The special features of high-performance aluminum end mill core diameter thickness and fluting design. By aiming at cutting aluminum, the big curvature and big geometric helix fluting are specially designed for high-efficient cutting and high-performance cutting in the roughing process, for a faster chip evacuation and higher chip removal rate. Uneven flute distribution. The uneven flute design can effectively reduce the vibration while machining and obtaining better surface roughness quality. Front-end cutting corner tip with rolling wiper design and uneven flute distribution can help reduce vibration, while performance end surface milling and obtaining an excellent smooth and flat surface. Tip protection design at the sharp corners will reduce corner chipping when performing the high roughing process with a higher feed rate. Uneven helix angle. Designed with variable helix angles, there are 3 different cutting frequencies while machining. The 3 different frequencies would interfere with one another to reduce vibration, enhancing the efficiency for the high-performance roughing process and improving the surface roughness during the finishing process. Cutting edge with roller burnishing cutting land. The concentricity of the cutting edge and roundness are especially focused on during the grinding process. By using different grid sizes of grinding wheels and grinding methods, a mirror shine is produced with smooth cutting edge, preventing and reducing the adhesion at the cutting edge and flutes. It can achieve a mirror shine effect on the workpiece surface during the finishing process, increasing tool life. Through years of test cutting and optimizing, this tool is perfect for the roughing and finishing process. With a high CP value, it is highly recommended for aluminum machining.